Bitter melon can be, well, bitter, but when you pickle it, it transforms into something tangy, refreshing, and addictive. Today, I will show you how to pickle bitter melon or Ampalaya Atchara. So we'll need 2 bitter melons, slice them in half and half again, whatever is easier for you. These bitter melons are quite skinny, so you'll need to get yourself a small spoon to scoop out the seeds. You can slice them thinner than this, it will also work, but I like them this way. Now this next step is optional. Sprinkle with salt and let it sit for 15 minutes. This helps draw out some of the bitterness. Now rinse well and gently squeeze out excess liquid. Alright, let's go ahead and prepare the rest of the ingredients. This is half a carrot, slice them thinly. This is optional, it's just for color. Thumb-sized ginger, thinly sliced. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, also sliced thinly. 1 small red onion. Place the carrot and bitter melon slices in a clean jar or a bowl. In a small saucepan, add half a cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, about half a teaspoon of peppercorns. Now add your sliced ginger, sliced garlic, and your sliced red onions. I started with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Bring to a gentle boil and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, so make sure you taste and adjust your taste. I needed a little bit more sweetness, so I added 1 more tablespoon of sugar. This is up to you how sweet you want your brine to be, because I know atchara is quite sweet. It is sweeter than what I am accustomed to here in Canada. Now the brine is all ready to go, so let's pour the hot pickling liquid over the bitter melons. You can add sliced red chili if you like a little heat. I actually did that before and it was so good. Let it cool completely, then cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better for deeper flavor. And that's it, Filipino pickled bitter melon. So give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to eat ampalaya. It's delicious.